As we dance, uh, as we dance.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Lucy and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please subscribe. And if you are not new and still haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Today I am finally filming my new room tour. If you guys are new, I am going into my junior year at UC Santa Barbara, and right now I am living with 16 girls in a house in IV. Our house is right on the water and we have 2 quads, a triple, 2 doubles, and a single, which I am in the single. I have spent the last month curating my room, making sure it is everything I want it to be. And I also have a slight addiction to plants. I can't stop buying them. So I'm gonna show you guys all my plants, which I have been waiting to do. Sorry, my face is like literally already getting oily. We're in a heat wave right now in California and I had to turn my fan off to film. So also I usually keep my door open for more airflow, but if I kept my door open then everybody in my whole house and the house next door would probably hear me filming, which is not okay. Also, I'm pretty sure Megan, Sarah, and Jaden, who are in the triple right next to me, can probably hear me filming too, so it's okay. I moved in like mid-July, and usually, well, the past 2 years when I've moved into college, my mom has come and helped me. But obviously because of COVID, I wasn't gonna make her fly from Connecticut to California when she really didn't have to. So I managed to put this place all together by myself. Well, I had some help building things, but pretty much. So yeah, I filmed a whole move-in vlog from move-in weekend, and my hard drive crashed and the file became corrupt after it was fully edited, and so that video is no longer. So I'm just gonna show you guys where I got everything in this video, and yeah, I'm really excited because my room is like my favorite thing ever. Also, I am working with Casetify on today's video, which is like a dream come true. So thank you, Casetify, for sponsoring this video, and I will show you guys the cases I got later in the video. Okay, so first I'm gonna give you a little pan of the whole room. My bed's right here, and then I have my bookshelf, me in the mirror, and then my desk, and that's the door to the triple, and I have a window to the outside. So first thing is my bookshelf, which is right behind me. This I did get from Amazon, don't kill me. I got quite a few things from Amazon just because pandemic and places were closed, but I am ashamed of it, so we're just gonna move along. And I chose to get a bookshelf because I have a lot of like stuff, like not clothing, but just like random objects, I feel like. And so I needed more storage. And if you can see the bottom of the bookshelf, I added these little bins for more storage space. So the top shelf, I have my plants. So I have my peace lily, my neon pothos, my monstera, and then my golden pothos, which is hanging over my bed. My favorite is the peace lily for right now because she's so big and dark, and she really adds a lot of like depth to this corner of the room, and just kind of makes the room look bigger. And on the second row of my bookshelf, I just have like my butterfly. That's a fake plant. This is one of my pothos propagations, which I just used an old tomato sauce jar. Just took the label off. I took it off pretty badly, if you can see, but I don't really care. And then I have my volcano candle from Anthropology, which I'm obsessed with. On the third row, I just did a little stack of these books along with my film camera on top because I just thought it looked cute. This is just a random tray that I got from Urban Outfitters like a while ago. So I just have like my essential oils on here. I have my diffuser right here, which is from Sage Wellness, along with my diffuser case. And then this is honestly the most useful part of the bookshelf is I have these 3 bins, which these bins are also from Amazon, and I like them because they have lids on them, which I really like because when bins like this don't have tops, they can just look extremely messy like this. So I can just hide all my junk. I also keep this little bag over here that I thrifted just because I like the pop of red. This is like my tool box. This is random junk, and then this is electronics and film stuff. I always have so many wires and chargers and just SD cards and everything like that, so all of that goes in here, including my phone cases. So my phone case is from Casetify, and I swear I literally only buy phone cases from Casetify, and I have for years. So this is very exciting for me. I literally drop my phone like 3 times a day, every single day, and I'm never worried about it cracking because these cases are military grade drop protection. I got my mom and dad Casetify cases for Christmas this year and personalized them, and I also got them the AirPod cases, so I'm a huge fan. Right now I have this kind of geometric, very colorful case on, and I like to switch up my cases a lot. So my second favorite is this red one that says Lucy on it. And they also sent me another one that has a bunch of flowers on it. I'm obsessed with it. I just keep switching them out. They are awesome. Couldn't say enough positive things. They have so many options on their website and such dope designs, so you guys should definitely go check them out. And I also have a discount code. So if you guys go to casetify.com/LucyM, you can get 20% off your order and match with me. Thank you, Casetify, again for sponsoring this video, and use my code for 20% off. This is my mirror, which I also got from Amazon. I will link the company down below. It fits really well in this space. I wasn't sure where it was gonna fit, but I do really like it. Bella got me this fake hanging plant, and for all of my hanging plants, I use these hooks that I got from Amazon. I use them for my bags too, because apparently they're supposed to hold 44 pounds, which I highly doubt, but a lot of my hanging plants, like this one, which is a fish hook senecio? I don't know how to say that. So this plant is a part of the succulent family. I'm obsessed with her, but she's a little heavy and these hooks work really, really well. I also have one over there. I use one for my beach towel as well, which I just keep right by the door. This plant I got at the Melrose Trading Post, and it will forever be my favorite plant. Next is my desk, which is also one of my favorite parts of my room. This is the same desk I had last year, and my mom spray painted it and then put wallpaper on top of this, along with a piece of acrylic plastic, and it looks awesome. In this first compartment of my desk, I keep all like my skincare and CBD stuff. It's very unorganized, but it's fine for now. I also used it like that all last year. And then right next to it, I keep my masks, because wear a mask, everybody. Don't be stupid. We're getting sweaty in here. This gold light I got last year from Target, which I'll link down below. It's a really nice light and very affordable. I used it all last year. I keep a notebook on my desk right here, just so every day I can write a new to-do list. This jewelry box is from West Elm, and I got it 2 years ago, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to link it. And this makeup organizer is from Amazon, and this one's pretty good. I didn't realize how high it was, but you know, it works. This photo Pearl drew for me when I first left for college freshman year, and what I've been doing every year and at my room at home is I just take some of my favorite old business cards and I just use blue tack and put them all over my wall. And my salt lamp is right there, which I got from the salt shop in downtown Santa Barbara. But I really like how this looks and how the cards like hug the outside of Pearl's drawing. At the bottom of my desk, I use these 2 little containers, also very unorganized, but just to keep my headbands, and they're stackable. If you guys watched my freshman year dorm tour or my room tour from last year, you would probably recognize this. These are wallpaper stickers from Carrie Rosenthal, and she is one of my favorite interior designers. I also got this wallpaper from her shop a while ago that I just framed. It's just a bunch of faces. I love my wallpaper sticker, and I transferred this from my wall from last year to this year. Yeah, they're really durable. Highly recommend. So now for my bed. I have a full bed in here. These posters are all from Society 6. I bought them as wall art, and then my mom put some cardboard on the back of them to make them thicker. So thanks, Mom, for that. Some of them are kind of falling off the wall, but it's okay. I really like the way they all look together, and I think it just looks really clean on the wall. I got all my posters last year from Society 6 as well, and they always have like 30% off sales. My bedding is linen, and it is from West Elm, I want to say, but I got it like a year and a half ago, so I'm not sure if I can link it. If you guys have been watching for a while, you know this is Una. Una's from Craftaholic. She's a sloth bear. She's my favorite thing ever. These two throw pillows are from Carrie Rosenthal as well. I had these on my bed last year, so not much has changed. So I actually do have some pretty good storage underneath my bed. So what I did is I used these bins from Bed Bath & Beyond, and I just roll up my sweatshirts in here just because they take up a lot of space. So both of these have sweatshirts in them. And then behind them, there's a row of bins that I keep like extra bedding in, like going out clothes, things that I don't really wear on a regular basis just because I don't have a lot of room for my clothes. So these are my dressers, which I got from Amazon, and I originally only got 2 of them because I thought it would be cheaper than buying an actual dresser, and I didn't trust myself to build an actual dresser. But then I ended up getting 3 because I could fit 3 on the wall and I needed more space for my clothes. These also kind of close unevenly because it's not like a real dresser, which is slightly annoying when I want it to look perfect. But I just roll my clothes like this. These are kind of badly rolled. I have a lot of t-shirts, so I can fit way more in here if everything's rolled. So everything has a place. So above my dresser, I have these 2 books and then my pothos. And my mom accidentally sent me these coffee table books that were supposed to go to our house in Connecticut. But honestly, I love them now. And it wasn't worth me shipping them back, so I just kept them in my room. This is my Dyson fan, which is also the best thing in the whole entire world. And behind here, I am propagating some pothos, but the lighting sucks. Also, these glass cups that I use for propagations, I got them from Amazon and they're amazing for coffee or plants, so I'll link those as well. Also, on the windowsill here, I keep my crystals to charge, and I think they look pretty here. This is kind of like the messy corner of my room because this door is usually open to the triple, but I keep my laundry there, and then just my purse that I bring out whenever I go out, and just my extra like tote bags, grocery bags. And then in this corner of my room where my door is, I just keep my beach towel, and then I have a little bin for shoes, which this I just got from Target because I needed somewhere to put all my shoes. I also have this little rainbow right by my door. So my camera died right as I was finishing filming, so I didn't get to film an outro, but I'm pretty sure that was it for my full room tour. Because of COVID, I've been spending a lot of time in my room, so that's just one of the reasons why my space is like very important to me, and I like having lots of plants and things that make me happy. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching. And again, please don't forget to subscribe so you can see all my new videos. Since my move-in vlog got deleted, I haven't posted for a while, but thank you guys for sticking with me, and I'm so excited to show you guys the whole rest of my house and show you guys my housemates and everything. If you're in college, please be safe and be responsible and stop going to parties. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please follow me on Instagram if you have not already at @L_massam, and thank you guys for watching. Bye!